Downtime is expensive in any business. The 3WA is designed to minimize interruptions by making it easier to install, integrate, and maintain. That means fewer headaches for operators, more uptime for businesses, and ultimately more confidence that their investment is protected. The 3WA is more than just a circuit breaker. It's designed for people who build, operate, and maintain power systems every day. We reimagined our proven WL breaker with a focus on reliability and ease of use. It's built for the people who depend on it: engineers, contractors, and operators who can't afford to compromise on safety or uptime. The electrical industry is evolving quickly, and power systems need to keep pace. By upgrading the electronics in the 3WA, we gave customers flexibility for today and the future. Every 3WA breaker built here is a reflection of the craftsmanship and commitment of our team in Grand Prairie. We're not just producing breakers, we're producing reliability. Visitors to this plant can see the attention to detail, the testing, and the pride that goes into every product before it leaves the line. Every decision, from material selection to testing, was about giving our customers peace of mind that their systems will run safely and efficiently day in and day out. Because in power distribution, every connection counts. The Siemens 3WA circuit breaker is made for makers.